Okay, so in this video we're going to unpack and have a look at a Russian IRP-P MRE daily food ration. Now, this channel isn't going to turn into a ration pack review channel. This is just something I thought would be a bit of fun, actually. So I've ordered myself a Russian military services daily food ration pack, and we're going to have a look and see what's in there. I'm hoping there might be some weird stuff in a can there for me, for my weird stuff in a can theme. But also, what I'm going to do when I've had a look at this is we'll do a second video where I'm going to take this out and test it. So I'm actually going to go out for a whole day, and this is my daily food, so this will be everything I eat that day. So anyway, let's get started and have a look at the labels. So the labels in Russian, there is a little bit of English on this label here. I'm hoping there might be a leaflet inside that explains what the contents are. If not, I'll have to translate all of this lot. So anyway, let's get it open and see what's inside. So the bag has got little handles there to hold it, and this end is a Ziploc, but underneath a bit that tears off, I think. Oh, I believe it's traditional to actually cut that with a really sharp knife when you're doing these MRE type unboxings, but it's got a tear strip there, so we're going to use that. It's got a little tear notch, so we'll just rip that off. It didn't work very well. Let's see if the one on the other side works better. There we go. Okay, so let's get this open and see what we've got inside. In fact, that hasn't worked very well at all, so I think we are going to have to use the sharp knife method. There we go. Okay, so inside we've just got a cardboard box, and I'll save that back because we'll pack it back into that. So let's open up this box and see what we've got. So we've got some little serviettes, we've got 3 plastic spoons, I've got, that looks like it's going to be a lemon tea or something, maybe mandarin or something tea mix. I've got 3 of those. Got some windproof matches and a little striker. That's going to be, I don't know if that's salt, that might be salt, that's pepper. Got a little Esbit stove and 3 fuel tablets. Don't know what that is, it's probably some sort of drink powder, I think. That looks like it's going to be a tea bag. Another tea bag. Coffee. Probably water purifier tablets. That looks like it's going to be another drink mix of some sort. And that's, I think, that's apple jam, I think that's going to be in there. Those are going to be sugar, I think. And then we're into the tin stuff. Now this is where it gets exciting for me, because you know me and my weird stuff in a can. So we got 4 packs of crackers in good condition. So let's just have a look and see if there's anything. No, it's all in Russian, so I'm going to have to do some translation here. That's good, that's fine. I'll do some translation, I'll label it all before we actually take it out somewhere. So there's a tin of something that's, I can recognise that says tomato on it, so this is probably going to be some sort of meat or goulash type of thing with tomato. That looks like it's going to be meat with onions and vegetables maybe. That is obviously pate. That looks like it's a chocolate dessert. Interesting. Oh, unfortunately that's damaged, so we won't be able to enjoy that. Well, it's got a cow on it, so I'm assuming that's going to be beef. And that's not really sure, but it looks like it's going to be some sort of stew or something like that. And then finally, vitamin tablet, I think maybe. Yeah, I think that's going to be a vitamin tablet. and then 2 more water purifier tablets. So there we go. It's a little bit of a shame about that. That's the chocolate dessert. I'm not going to try to eat that because I have no idea how long that's been broken for. It's probably broken in transit, but I'm not taking any chances with stuff like this that could have been broken before it went into storage and could be quite dangerous to eat. So unfortunately we're going to have to leave that one. I'm going to pack this all away again, and I'll translate it, and we'll do a video on this later where I will take this out into the countryside, and this will be all of the food I eat on that day. Looks like it's fairly good. I think I might need to take some extra coffee with me actually, because there's only 1 portion of coffee in here, which is not enough for me. But anyway, so we've got the water purifier tablets are going in there. Anyway, I'll get that all packed away again before we're finished. But I think what we'll do, since we're here and since we're going to have to throw this away anyway, I'm going to open this chocolate dessert and have a look at it. So let's go get a teaspoon. So, oh, it's actually some sort of ganache type of thing, so that looks like it's going to be, yeah, chocolate spread of some sort. What a shame. Do you know what? I'm going to chance it and taste a little bit of that from the opposite side of where it's split, and I'm just going to hope for the best here. So here we go. It's like chocolate hazelnut. It's like Nutella. That's actually pretty good. What a shame. Maybe I should have just left that and taken a chance. If I'd realised that that was actually a chocolate spread, I probably would have left that, because it's quite free of moisture and not actually so likely to spoil as I thought. So I'll probably have to get myself to substitute for this. I'm going to get myself a little tub of Nutella or something, just so that I've got the full ration pack. But that's what that tastes like. A little bit darker and more chocolatey than Nutella, but essentially the same thing. Chocolate hazelnut spread, which obviously has to go on 1 set of crackers, probably for the breakfast. So that's all for now. We will follow this up with a special video where we take this out, and that will be my daily ration. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you again soon.